Hey, welcome back to Vince's Kitchen. Today we're going to be chopping, dicing, and julienning, is that even a word? Carrots. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in a second.
Okay, so let's get into this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna chop, we're gonna dice, and we're gonna julienne some carrots. I'm hoping to put this in the mirepoix in the soup, the upcoming soup video that's coming up. So we're gonna put this all together and make it happen. So I've already taken 3 carrots and I've rinsed them off. Have not peeled them, so let's just go ahead and chop the ends off of this. And now the peels you can put off to the side, and then you can use them to do a vegetable stock. So anytime you have any extra pieces or parts, you can always do a vegetable stock. So let's get this out of the way and put that in our bucket. Go ahead and get the rest of these guys peeled as well while I'm at it. Pretty straightforward, right? I just got this one. It's a pretty good one. I like the way it's versatile. Chop the ends off. Chop the end off of that one. Chop the end off of that one. Cool. Let's go ahead and get all this stuff out of the way. And so first one, we'll just go ahead and just do a basic chop. So let's set this up. Once again, with your thumb back here, your knuckles tucked underneath, and with a rocking motion, and as you get closer to the end, just turn it on the side. That's it. Just to keep it away from your fingers. So that's just a real quick chop. Now I'm going to go ahead and split this carrot in half. And we're just going to do quarters. Just like so. And then we can begin to dice. But this is a really good twist on ants on a log, which is celery, peanut butter, and raisins. For kids, these are great little treats. Slather a little peanut butter on that and throw some craisins on there. And craisins, not raisins. And it's a different twist on the concept for ants on a log. You could split it in half as well. But this is a quick dice. Same concept applies. Make sure your thumb's out of the way. Your fingers are tucked underneath, and the quicker you go, obviously, the bigger the chunks. Work your way down. As you get close to the end, pull your fingers away, and ta-da. Just like that. We'll go ahead and repeat that process one more time. We'll go ahead and quarter this up. See, ants on a log. How cool is that? Be a little bit, like I said, a little different twist. Same thing, and like I said, every time I do one of these videos, I'm trying to improve my skill set, and to become more comfortable with the chopping process. Every time I get an opportunity to teach, I also learn. So I get a lot from my subscribers. So definitely subscribe down below. Okay, so the julienne. So we're going to go ahead and split that in half. And we are going to take an edge like that, an edge like that. And then we just slice it, slice it, slice it, slice it, slice it. This one's a little rounder, so we'll just pull that off to the side. Slice, 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 getting closer. Slice, slice. Now, once again, if my technique is off, I welcome all you professional chefs to comment below. But this is how I understand how to do a julienne. And you can use this for garnish, or as a roasted or fried up with a little bit of garlic, maybe some celery, some onions, right? The mirepoix, and some asparagus, and just get yourself a really nice side of veggies. All right, I'll see you guys in just a minute.
Hey, thank you very much for coming to my party. Truly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely leave your comments down below. Love you, mean it. Till next time on Vince's Kitchen.